Yeah. Yo. Make a video. Turn the lights on. Even though it's off, I still turn it on. On. Alright. Close the door. Alright. So, what I'm gonna do in this video, this tutorial video, it's like, got an iPad, an old iPad I've been here for years. So, it's like, okay. This part lightning cable is plugged into my iPad already, like so. Right? So, and then do it like that. It should be already connected, plugged up, ready to go. Right? Look. So from here all the way like so, like this, right? Taking my time. Don't want to mess nothing up. Ain't in no rush. So yeah. Okay. So the HDMI is right there, if you can see it. Boom, plugged up right there to the AC. It's plugged up. The lightning cable, HDMI adapter dock is plugged in to the HDMI port, like that, like so. And then after that, okay. Now what I want to do is grab my remote. It's right here. I just came home from a long day, you know, and there you have it. Look, boom, it's already plugged up, ready to go. I didn't have to do anything. So now, like, all right, I want to play Air Attack 2, right? Let me put my phone down real quick. Let me set up my PS4 wireless gamepad controller real quick. Let me set that up. So y'all not gonna be able to see that real quick. You know what I'm saying? Just real quick, I'm gonna do this. Alright, so my PS4 wireless controller is charged up, ready to go. Right? I'm waiting. This is a little freestyle spit about lightning cable, HDMI adapter. Yeah, it always works. Never a failure. Yeah. It only gets better. Yeah. I'm a freestyler on YouTube. Alright. Now it's connected. Look. Hold on. It's connected right there. See that? Boom. Connected. Boom. Connected. Alright, so now I go to a game I want to play, right? Y'all hear it? I'm going to turn it up. Alright. Okay. Alright, so now let me set it up. Okay. Hold up, what just happened here? Alright. So now, y'all see this? I'm gonna play a little gameplay footage. No lag, no nothing. I'm playing a little bit of it so y'all can get a feel of it, like what I'm doing. I'm playing with one hand and holding the camera on my other hand. Alright. Alright, that's enough. Alright, I hope y'all like this tutorial. So I hope y'all like it. Like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And peace, one love, and I'm out. Man, I love this game so much. Air Attack 2, that's the game. That's the game right there. That's a classic.